everyone, so today we're going to be making a video about my Etsy tornado siren. These things, you can get them in any color, any port. Mine is in port 12. But I'm going to mention this. It's very fragile. Anyways, let's give it a quick test. Right there. It's very early in the morning, so I gotta do like a quick test. Quick test for you. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for the short video. Now, I am gonna be making like a second part of this, but because I'm gonna do like a part where I sit on the swing over there, and then just come over here and turn the siren on, and then make a video of it just running by itself, and then I'll be like right there or something. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. And actually not later, actually in like a sec. But bye for a sec. Anyways guys, so I'm live. It's actually going to be up here. Anyways guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this vlog. Now, I really enjoy doing the videos. Oh, this is my first video of this one actually. But I really enjoy having the YouTube channel. And then once so many growls and then a test, then it turns off. And guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. And goodbye.